Hey guys, this is Vacuum 103 here, and I got another vacuum. And this is like the first time ever in years since I never had this machine. This is the Hoover Tempo bagless allergen filtration. I got this off a Facebook Marketplace for free. And a friend of mine told me that they was gonna throw this one away because they got a new vacuum, and you know, it's just a long story. I mean, like this machine, this is like the first time ever that I never had this in a long time. Like I never had a Hoover Tempo in my life, something like that, or whatever. But so yeah, I'll go ahead and review on this. Here's some height adjustments. Go from bare floor, low to high pole carpet. It's got 12-amp motor. There's the Hoover logo right there. And underneath is the brush roll. It's a little stiff, it's a little dirty. And this machine has never been cleaned out since I got it. So I am going to clean this out when I'm done doing a review. Underneath the headlight still works. And right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says stare, clean and handle the headlight. And the door cup, to release, you just simply push this little button. And you see, this little top part came off. But anyways, here's the dirt cup. You see how dirty this is? I know it. And right here's the filter. Right there's the filter. And there's another filter which is like right down there. So, yeah. Like I know it's a little dirty, but I am going to clean this thing out. So, right there says carry handle. This is where you carry the machine. It is a little heavy. Anyways, right here on the back, got onboard tools. Got the upholstery tool. You also got the dusting brush, crevice tool, 2 extension ones, and you also got the hose, which is right here. Oops, hold on. See if I could. There's the hose. It's not that long. And let's see, on-off switches right here. I also got the foot release right here. So yeah, and on the back here is the cord. So if I can get off here. So here's the cord. You can see, and right here on the top is the little cord clip right there. So yeah, without any further ado, I'll demonstrate. So I'll just set you guys down here. So yeah, it's like the first time ever that I have never used this machine since I used the Hoover 110 Plus. So yeah. Alrighty, so plugged in. Alright. Warning. If you're wearing headphones, turn down your volume. It's loud. Here we go. seems loud. I didn't know for a second that the headlight was gonna burn out. So, yeah, like, I didn't know the headlight was gonna burn out, but I do need to fix that. But anyways, I did a good job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure I do have another vacuum that I'm gonna do another review, and I'm gonna be getting another one tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.